Welcome to Health and Technology TV, where hands-on learning meets clean energy. Today, we're walking you through how to make your own solar-powered car, a fun and educational STEM project anyone can build. Whether you're a student, teacher, or DIY enthusiast, this is for you. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell to stay plugged into all things innovation and sustainability. Step 1. Gather your materials. You'll need a small solar panel, 5V, 6V, DC motor, 3V, 6V, 2 to 4 wheels, gears or pulleys, chassis material, axles, glue gun, scissors, electrical tape and wires. Pause the video and collect your tools. Step 2. Build the car chassis. Cut your base, around 15/8 cm. Make axle slots front and back. Keep it light and sturdy. Tag us at Health Tech TV with your chassis build. Step 3. Install the wheels and axles. Slide your axles through the chassis and attach wheels. Ensure they spin freely. Are you using bottle caps or 3D printed wheels? Comment below. Step 4. Connect the motor. Mount the DC motor near the rear axle. Use a rubber band or gear to connect motor to axle. Glue it down securely. Prefer gears or pulleys? Vote in the poll. Step 5. Wire the solar panel. Connect the solar panel's positive and negative wires to the motor's terminals. Test it in sunlight or with a strong light. Tag us in your wiring photos. Step 6. Secure everything. Tape or glue down loose components. Align wheels and ensure the solar panel faces the sun. Share your video link if you want us to review your design. Step 7. Test your solar car. Head outdoors, place it in sunlight, and watch it go. Try it on flat surfaces like driveways or patios. Use #SolarCarChallenge when you post. Bonus: troubleshooting. If it doesn't move, check wiring, clean the panel, reduce wheel friction, or try stronger sunlight. Need help? Ask us in the comments. Expansion ideas: add a battery or capacitor, install a switch, create a steering mechanism, or upgrade to dual panels. Which upgrade would you add? Tell us below. You've just built a solar-powered car that runs on pure sunlight. Like, comment, and share this with someone who loves building and sustainability. This is Health and Technology TV, where bright minds build brighter futures.